Welcome to an episode of Very Unprepared. This is our Halloween episode. I'm Savannah.
I'm Em. I'm Elias.
I'm Adam.
I'm Sam.
Oh, Chevy.
Okay.
Chevy.
I love Chevy.
So today we're gonna be making two things. We're gonna be making.
Hey! Stand still!
Sorry. That should be a bit.
Today we're gonna be making like Oreo cake balls and these mini Oreo spider things. You'll see. They're laughing at me. And we're gonna do a challenge.
Sam.
And our challenge is.
Our challenge is be each other's hands. Okay, we're gonna be each other's hands.
Yeah.
Friggin' grandma.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the.
There's none.
Sorry.
We're gonna start with the Oreo cake, guys. So first we're gonna need to mash our Oreos in a food processor or whatever we can get. So let's do that. I'm gonna have someone man the camera for me. We need those later.
Just take the lid off and open it.
How do I zoom in?
We're gonna open the Oreos. Are you insane?
What?
That is not how you open
Listen,
the
I'm
Oreos.
not.
So look.
I'm not looking.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up the cup.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna put the cup down and grab Oreos and put the Oreos in the cup. Wow, that's plenty. I'm full. I'm really full. Okay.
Hey!
And then I'm gonna grab the lid. Well, it's pointy, very pointy. I know that. I'm gonna screw it on. And then I'm gonna grab the plug in. Hold on, the plug in. Yep, and I'm gonna plug it into the wall. You're not supposed to be looking.
I'm not looking.
You're looking and you're still not doing it.
I'm literally not looking, babe. Look. I'm not looking. Hey, you're not supposed to help me.
Other way, flip it.
Frick. There you go.
I'm gonna put it on the lid. Yep, and then
That long? More.
more. I want to pick it up and shake it around. Yep. Okay, now let's take a look. Let's just see. We're gonna set it down. Nope, set it down. Yep, and we're turning around. Don't do that with your hands. Thank you. Now we're gonna open the cabinet. The other cabinet. And we're gonna grab a blue bowl. So I'm gonna go to my, okay. Yep, and then I'm gonna close the cabinet. I'm gonna go this way. Let's set the bowl down. Right there. Yep, right there.
You say we're going bowling?
Yeah!
I'm gonna grab a fork in front of me. Yep, in that drawer. A big one. I'm gonna grab a big fork. So, yep. Please watch when you put that. I'm gonna throw the... And then I'm gonna stop. No, I'm gonna lift my arms up and I'm gonna put the fork down. And I'm gonna walk away. You did great.
Hey,
You did great.
Do you want to be hands or do I be hands?
You just have to not look.
You just have to keep your eyes closed, baby girl.
You're mashing the Oreos, by the way.
Is that all I'm doing?
Yeah, but Savannah,
Alright,
you're
Sam.
cheating.
Oh. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Your eyes are supposed to be closed.
Oreo. Oreo.
So I'm stirring and stirring.
You're supposed to be crushing, by the way.
Oh, sorry. I mean, I'm crushing Oreos right now. I'm crushing them good. I probably want to get the sides a little bit more, like the left a little. Just gonna really crunch. I'm really doing it. I'm doing very good at this. Look at that. Oh, maybe a little forward. Maybe a little forward, like my other forward.
Oh, a little back. Now to the right a little is what I would do, and I mean what I am doing. I'm just really crunching the Oreos, mushing them down as much as possible, as I do. Yep, and then I'm just gonna go back a little back, and oh, a little, yep, right there, and I'm backing it up. Oh, now I'm fronting it up. I'm just really gonna smush and grind. Yeah, smushing it, and then I'm just gonna keep doing that, because I'm really good at that. There we go. Yep, I'm doing amazing. Look at me go. Wow, I'm really good at this.
And I'm just gonna, I'm gonna take a little taste.
Sorry.
Yummy! Oh yes, this is. Oh, I really love this stuff. And I think that's about. I'm full. Over here and just grab some Oreos. Really, just I don't really know how many. Couple. Put them in the cup a little bit. Are you right? Are your eyes closed? I think so. Yeah. All right, and I'm gonna grab the lid, which is in front of me, but to the left a little. Right next to that, and I'm just gonna grab that right there, flip it over, and put it on there, and really just screw it on.
And just press. Oh, you have to twist. Twist, I mean. I'm doing good. Now I'm just gonna lift it up.
Fork, guys, excuse me.
Why do you need a fork?
For the pickles.
Can you just use your fingers?
Yeah, I guess.
That is not very
Grabbing.
Oh dear.
Take the lid off.
Take the lid off.
There's a lid.
Please.
How?
Screw it. You have to screw it.
Screw?
Oh god.
You're not supposed to be looking.
Yeah.
I can't. How do I? Which way?
Would you like some assistance from one of your other man friends?
Did they figure this out?
Man friend,
What?
can you help them open this?
Wait.
He doesn't understand how to open it, guys.
You just gotta twist it a little harder. Don't put that in. Oh my god!
I told you no more Oreos.
Okay. We're just gonna open this.
I tried, Sam. She slapped
And
me really hard.
what am I doing?
She was
Dumping
slapping
it into
me
the
too.
Okay. Dump it into the bowl. Yeah, like that.
It'll taste great, guys.
It will.
Shut up.
Why is it red? I don't understand.
Perfect.
Because the pieces of the cake.
Stop making fun of me.
I'm gonna go put it in ice.
Well,
I
I'm
said
sure
I
you
was
can-
joking.
Emma.
Our next step is we're going to add in softened cream cheese, and we're gonna make sure it's really well blended and smooth. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm opening the cream cheese. We're gonna reverse the roles a little bit. I don't know where to put my hands.
Maybe just to your side.
Really? I'm gonna open the cream cheese. Wow, I'm so good at this. I'm gonna use the other side. I'm gonna flip it over. And there's a little lip that I'm gonna open and use to pull it open.
And then I'm gonna bring it up to my face. And it's really good. I'm just patting myself, it's so good. And then I'm just gonna throw it into the bowl. I'm gonna just, I'm honestly just so over that stupid fork. Like, are you kidding me? And I'm gonna really dig my hands into the bottom of the bowl and get all of the Oreos.
I'm getting all in there, bro. All of those Oreos. That cream cheese is really good. I'm gonna get the rest of the Oreos that are in there because there's still quite a bit in there that I haven't even touched yet. We just cleaned, but I like to make more of a mess as I go. I'm just.
Makes it taste better.
Amen, sister. I'm getting all of the Oreos.
I'm just gonna put it down and I'm gonna remove my hands. I'm going to remove my hands and I'm gonna revoke them from my person. Nope, yeah, I'm so excited and I'm just gonna walk away. Savannah, look what you did.
Let me help. It was really hard to mix all together.
Would you like to mix it together with your sight?
Oh yeah.
Where's Adam?
I don't know. He ran away.
We're going to take this that we just made and roll it into like a oval shape, kind of. So,
We need a pen.
parchment paper, please. She practically lives here. It's okay. I have that.
I'm watching a.
To be honest, I don't know how much I trust them together.
What did you say?
I said I'm really excited to see how you guys do
That's
this
a
together.
lie. What'd you do?
We're scooping it out. Scooping it out. I need to find a place for my hands. And then we're
We're gonna drop it, and then we're gonna make it into an oval shape.
Oh yeah.
Look at that oval. Isn't that a beautiful oval? Hey, question for you. This is supposed to be a ghost, right?
Yeah.
Looks very ghost-like.
It's not. It's supposed to be like the shape of a ball. That's a turd.
what you said oval shape.
Oval. You said long.
Oval this way, not oval this way.
Just turn it.
So look at it like that.
Silly.
What do you mean?
I can't see it. I don't know what you want.
Oh, she look. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look.
Oh, like
She wants it.
tall?
That looks even more like one. What are you talking about?
Well, then you're just gonna have to use your imagination.
Well, what kind of light?
Kobe. Hey, and we gotta get it again.
I have something to help with the light.
And we're gonna put our hands into that.
We're gonna put our hands forward.
No, do not do that.
You're getting a disapproval shake.
Oh, this is fun.
Pyromaniac in the back.
Yeah, what are you doing? Who invited you?
Why do you have a lighter?
Savannah said she needed a light.
Yeah, I
and
have
we're
like
gonna-
a flashlight.
Do you like what I'm doing here?
Yes, I see how you're doing it.
Guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we upload a video. Subscribe to the Berry Broadcast.
And remember, if you don't,
If
at 2 a.m., the Cookie Monster is going to come into your room.
and throw these at you. Yeah, so, why are you cuddling me? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. What do you think you're doing? Don't touch it, cameraman. Be the cameraman. Look at that pizzazz. That is beautifulness. That is.
fell over. I don't like
I'm gonna fix that real quick. What are you doing? What?
Yeah, you said it. I don't remember. I was in the bathroom.
Yummers.
So now we're going to freeze them and hope that this fridge will shut. It shuts. I am setting up right now for the next group. So we have sticks, and we're gonna drizzle white chocolate all over the sticks, and we're gonna put miniature Oreos all over them. And hopefully they will look really fun and cute, but I don't really know.
And then we're gonna eat the sticks as well as the Oreos.
Yes, we eat sticks. Nana, can you grab me a bowl, please?
Oh! Hey,
Okay, grab them.
Grandma's still up on the ledge. 1870, I was known for opening Oreos. The fast
Grandma still got it! White chocolate. And I'm gonna melt them.
Yeehaw!
like that.
I'll take this off.
No.
My forehead.
These were our toys back in the day. This is all we had.
You've got breath.
You would blow and blow. don't know where they are. Who has my glasses? I'm convinced it's one of you three.
I have not touched them.
My
once.
pockets are empty.
And they're not on tape.
Our pockets are full, but not with your glasses.
What? What? So you all know where they are! This is a conspiracy! You all know! Where are
That's
they?
funny.
Where are they? 90 if I could chat.
I took Tylenol today.
Great for you, man.
I took 2 Tylenol.
Crap a doodle. Okay. He looks so scared.
I just killed a fly with my hand. I want that one.
Carl, you did not need to get that clean.
Hop off the plane at LAX with the thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, do whatever else.
Do whatever you feel you need to do.
This has been very unprepared. Stay tuned for our next episode.
Pumpkin pie!
Yes, Thanksgiving.
Our Thanksgiving episode. We're going to be making pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie!
What are you doing?